craft lovers, so in this video I'm sharing a clay craft. For this I have made this cute little bird back chain. You can use this as a keychain as well. To see how I made this keychain or back chain, watch my video till the end. For making the bird I am using a fabricate molded clay because this is the durable and hard clay, and also I'm using a silver foil. Use adequate amount of silver foil and fold it and try to give this a shape of bird. Once the silver foil gets the bird shape, we will cover it using a clay. Now I will start sculpting the bird. For this I'm taking a clay and rolling it flat. Take the rolled clay and use it for covering the bird completely. While attaching the clay on silver foil, try to give this a maximum bird-like shape. Once it starts look like a bird, give this a smooth finish. Now I am making feathers for a bird. For this I am rolling the clay flat. Draw a feather-like shape on clay. Remove all the excess clay and you will get the feather shape. If you are interested in such a clay craft or molded clay craft, then you can go and check my other videos. I will leave the link in the description box as well as on the I button. If you are using a fabricate molded clay, then you have to grease your hand with the oil to give a smooth finish and smooth texture to your clay craft. If you want to know more about this clay, then you can go and watch my review and unboxing of fabricate molded clay. In that video I have given all the details of use and instructions about this clay. I will leave the link in the I button. After coating, leave this to dry completely. Now your back chain or keychain is completely ready. If you like this cute little clay pot, then please let me know in the comments and also comment what next you want to see in my video.